Hey, Envy. Yeah, it's Scott. I'm making this video on my laptop just because I wanted to really show you, because none of the other videos do it right. I really wanted to show you that how to do this. So, and let's see. Okay. I want to show you like a video just to show you. First, I'm going to tell you how to get the custom firmware on your PSP, okay? Now, in the email I sent you, it wouldn't let me send it because my computer compressed it wrong, okay? It was the other computer. I finally got my laptop fixed, and I'm on it right now, okay? Now, to get custom firmware on your PSP, mine's already plugged in, okay? Now, what you do is you plug it in and wait, I'll show you. You plug it in, like right now, okay? There should be another pop-up. The pop-up will be this. If it's not this, just go to Start, Computer, and then open up your PSP like that, okay? And if this pops up, do Open to View Files. And then this confusing thing should pop up. If there's less things in it, well, that's okay, because I put all these things in it. Okay, now, there should be a file called coderpr.zip. And what you have to do is you have to right click on it and you have to do extract. It'll be kind of up here if you have Windows 7. You say extract and then you'll be able to extract it. Okay, once you extract it, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. If you have this program, use this. It's called WinRAR. If you don't, well, you don't. Extract it. Never mind what I'm doing. You won't have to do this. You just have to right click, do extract, and do extract to desktop. This should pop up, okay? It says something numbers coderpr 086, okay? Open this up and then open this folder up, okay? Now you have all these things. Now what you need to do is open up Slim PSP version, because yours is a PSP version like 3000. Okay, open this up and then open Drop into Memory Stick. And then these two things here, coderpr and SE plugins. What you do is you do this, okay, and you will take, here's your PSP, okay? This is what I told you. This is your PSP, okay? You'll take these and you move them in here like that, okay? You move coderpr and SE plugins into there. I already have them here. I already have coderpr and SE plugins. Okay. Now, where you put the cheats is right here, okay? You put the cheats in right here. And this is for coderpr, okay? This is the cheats. You open up coderpr and you open up cheats. And the one right here, that's blue, this one is for Solcom FTB3, okay? Now, don't do what I'm doing right now. I'm just making it so it's WordPad. Okay, now this is where all the cheats go. You copy them, paste them from a website, and put them in here. You see I have a couple cheats here, some rapid fire, some no recoil, and these ones I use like lock on through walls, shoot through walls. I have boot codes, like the freeze boot code, my perfect shot code, some other ones, which is just full lock on distance, so I can lock on to anybody with any weapon. It doesn't matter how far they go. If they're in the map, I can lock on to them no matter where they are. That's where you'll put your cheats in there. Remember, open it up with WordPad. See, you have to do WordPad. If you don't do WordPad, it's going to get messed up. Okay, so this is right here. UCUS 98716, okay? I'm going to send, when I actually get this into the email, I'm going to send this file here, this text file, text document. I'm going to put this in this. So when you send it, you already have some of my cheats, and then you just drop them into there. You can delete some of my cheats if you don't want them. You know, it doesn't matter. You put the cheats in there, okay? Now, after you drag and drop these two folders into here in your PSP, you got to get the custom firmware on it, okay? It doesn't matter what order, you just have to have custom firmware, okay? Now what you do is you take your PSP, and what you have to do is there's going to be one 639 Pro-B8, okay? Right click and do extract, the same thing you have to do with the other one, okay? But I have to use WinRAR because WinRAR is better, okay? There should be 5 things, okay? You only need fast recovery and pro update, okay? Those are the only 2 you need. These 2 right here, fast recovery and pro update. You would put these 2, you would copy, you would move both of these into your PSP. You would move these 2 files right here okay, you move those 2 files. What you do is when you're here, you'll go into the PSP folder, into the game folder. And here is where you will put fast recovery and pro update. Now you see I already have fast recovery in here because I have to run fast recovery every time I want to turn on my PSP. Okay? Now, once you've moved these 2 into here, what you gotta do is, I'll show you in a minute here. I'll turn the light on. Okay. Okay. After you move those 2 in here, what you do is you have all the files on here, okay? What you do is, let me pull something up so you can actually see my PSP. What you do, wait, what you do, oh wait, I forgot. What you do, okay, never mind. Wait, yeah, what you do here, I just gotta show you my okay, gotta wait for this thing to turn on so you can actually see PSP. Okay, what you'll do is here's your PSP, okay, it might look backwards, okay. After you do this, you just go back, okay. Oh yeah, you can actually see it right now, okay. What you do is every time, what you do is you turn your PSP off, okay, so turn it off. Okay, turn it off all the way, okay. Then, once you've turned it off all the way, just turn it back on, okay, and don't press anything, just turn it back on, okay. PSP boot up. Okay, now every time you turn it on, what you have to do is, right now, you know how, right now it's on the game, okay, you have to go down into the memory stick, okay. Now, the first time you do this, you open up game, and I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to see, and you go down, and there should be something called, it won't be called fast recovery, it'll be called pro update. Run that, and follow the instructions, okay? Do what it tells you on the screen, okay? And after you do that, you'll be booted up into custom firmware, okay? Okay, in custom firmware. But every time you turn your PSP on, you have to run this, okay? This is what rehacks your PSP, okay? It only takes a couple seconds. Watch. This is how long it takes, okay? Watch. Ready, set, go. Doesn't take very long at all, okay? Wait, just a minute. You know, it goes to a black screen, and it goes back up here. And the way you can tell is you can go over to the system settings, right, and you go over here to system information. Okay, and I don't know if I can get perfect here, but it says 6.39 Pro-B8. It says my name, which is Scott Pfeiffer, and it says the MAC address will be covered up. I have mine, so it's covered up. Okay, that's how you tell 6.39 Pro-B8. Okay, so back out of that. Okay, wait, I'm back. Okay, And now, basically, okay, when we were on Solcom, okay, well, you asked me how do you activate coderpr. Okay, once you're in custom firmware, what you do on the main menu is you press the select button here on the main menu. Press it, and this menu should pop up here. Okay, what you have to do is, you see where it says recovery menu in the middle of the screen? Go down like this, the recovery menu, click on it, and then this black, white, and red menu should pop up. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go down to where it says plugins. Okay, click on plugins, and there should be a coderpr.prx, and it should say game here in the corner. Okay, what you do is you go down to this, and you go down to this, and it should say disabled. Okay, what you have to do is you click on it once, and it should say enabled. Okay, and then just get back out of this, go back. Okay, and what you can do is to see coderpr work, you go into here, you go into your game. Okay, wait for your game to load up. Okay, and I have a Japanese version of the Paradox edition, but it doesn't matter, it works on everything. Okay, and up in the corner here, if you did it right, it should say coderpr on standby. And what you do is you double click the home button, and then you press volume up and volume down at the same time, which is right here, like this. And this should pop up, and it should say, let's start this stuff. Okay, and what you do is you press start, and here are the cheats that I have, and you can scroll down through the cheats and click on them once, and then when you're in the game, press the music button, the little note music button, and it should activate them. They're all there. Okay, so that's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, I made this video so you could completely understand. If you have any more questions, get back on Solcom and ask me. Yeah, the computer almost turned off. Okay, have any more questions, ask me them. Okay. Okay, MV, see you on Solcom. Alright, man. Have a nice day.